Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel to discuss forecast about the upcoming week. I'm sorry I was not able to do yesterday because of some bad throat infection. Today I'm feeling a bit better, so I thought of doing at least Nifty alone and post this week by ignoring Bank Nifty. My voice will be a little bit less, so please increase your volume to hear it properly. Before even going into our forecast for upcoming week in Nifty, as usual, my requests are, if you feel our video is helpful and the levels are good, please do share it to your friends and relatives, whoever is interested in markets. And one more thing, for each and every video you see, at least post your comments, dislikes or likes or whatever it may be, it is worth for, so that I can also see that see those things and have a mindset that whether I am going on a right track or not. Sometimes I may also be wrong. So you people are supposed to correct me. I should not say something wrong and it should go forever. If I am wrong, please do correct me. Okay, so please, at least from this week onwards, if you feel whatever it is worth, let it be positive or negative. I never asked anyone to post only positive comments. Regarding the video which I post, if you feel it is good, either post some comments or like or something like that. If it's not good, either post your comments or at least give a dislike to it. Okay. So this is what I am expecting from this week onwards from you people. And now we will move on to the next week forecast. For this I have opened Nifty daily charts in my default setup. Actually speaking, we have been discussing with the default setup for last 3 weeks. Why? Because I have all the ingredients in place where I can explain to you, and you also may find it easy over a period of time. It might be difficult if you are following for the first time, but if you are following this for a couple of weeks, definitely you will also be able to gather information, and one fine day you will also be able to create such analysis. Right. So this is my default setup wherein I have the Bollinger Band along with 20, 10, 50, 50, 100 and 200 moving averages, MACD, stochastic and RSI. So last week, last to last week while we are discussing, we said that the MACD histo is turning into green. On that fine day, 1 week before, it was the first day I guess. Okay, on that fine day we said that the green bar will continue for at least 5 or 10 times on the higher side. Look at the way he performed. Exactly the way we have expected. On this particular day we have seen it, and from there it is nearly 8 continuous days we are on the higher side regarding the histo of MACD. In between we had 2 days of drop, but still the histo stands on the higher side. And same way RSI, we found a negative divergence, positive divergence at this particular area, I guess. At that time we said that we are going to move up, and it has been moving up consistently from there. I don't know how many people are aware that we posted an alert during last month 24th, I believe, 24th or 26th, I believe, saying cautious note for bears. If Nifty is not breaking 15,150 today, we are set for a up move. Forget about shorting until you see 16,800 in next series. That was my message. That was the first alert which I have posted. I think it was on this particular day. This day or this day. Okay. And it was not able to break that 15,150. Climbed all the way from 15,600 somewhere near. Yeah, I think it was on this particular day. From 15,600 till he has moved to 16,275, which is almost 700 points. Now what is remaining for our target? Another 600 points is remaining for our, sorry, 5, yeah, we are almost at 16,275, right? Our target is 16,800. So 525 points left for our target. If you ask me whether it will go directly to 16,800, I would say no. Why? Because results season has started and couple of companies may post some disappointing results which may drag the market, and couple of companies will may post good results which may increase the fire in markets on the higher side. So anyways, it is going to be affected by the results, and by end of this month, 26th and 27th, we have the Federal Reserve Bank meeting, that is FOMC meeting in US, and everybody this time are expecting 50 to 75 basis point hikes. Already two governors from Fed has said that they are expecting 75 basis points hike. They want to be voting for 75 basis points hike, but we are not sure. So as I always say, markets are masters and it will factor everything before itself. If there is a 75 basis points hike, the fall will start 1 week before, which means I'm saying about 26th and 27th is the FOMC meet, and 27th midnight 11 o'clock, 11:30 I guess. By that time only we will get the outcome. So our markets will react only on 28th of July, which is expiry day. So if you see, if I say 1 week before market will start factoring in, maybe from 18th or 19th of July, we may see some seesaw in markets, both side moves, and post that event only we will get a clear track. Okay, this is how it is going to move, and in between this particular week, we have plenty of Nifty 50 companies results. I think nearly 10 companies are coming, 10 to 11 companies are coming with results in between this week, say about 11th to 16th. I'm not sure HDFC results, about the HDFC Bank results. Normally HDFC Bank results will come on second week of the subsequent quarter on Saturday. That is the usual calendar they follow, but not sure this time. But if it is not 16th, it will definitely come on 23rd. And the one thing which is little bit fishy for me is Infosys results. Generally speaking, from initial stages, first TCS comes with results. 2 days after TCS results, Infosys posts results. And most probably it will be on a Thursday after market hours, because the reaction will be on a Friday. So we will have verified about the ADR moves, and we will be able to calculate everything, and we will be set for Friday, how to work in Infosys. But this time their results comes on 24th, which is Sunday, which is after HCL Tech results, after Mindtree results, after Wipro results. This fellow is coming. That is very, very, very fishy for me, because it has never happened in the last 10 years. Infosys has never posted results on Sunday in last 10 years, and Infosys have never posted results after HCL Tech or Wipro. Either he will post results on the same day where TCS posts, or it will be on the next 2 days where TCS posts. First to come out with results will be TCS. Second to come out with results in the IT sector will be Infosys. Third, fourth will be like other companies. Let's focus on the giants alone. Other companies such as HCL and Wipro. Forget about Mindtree. This time Mindtree itself is coming out with results on 13th. HCL Tech comes out with results on 14th, I guess. And on 17th, Wipro comes out with results. 17th or 18th, I'm not remembering the exact date. But all these fellows are coming out with results before Infosys. So I don't know how markets is going to react based on this. But on considering all these factors, I have drawn the support lines and resistance lines for Nifty. This was the falling moving trend line which we were speaking last week. We said that he is about to break it on Monday. If it breaks and gives a close above it, we will not find any downfall, and even if we find a downfall, it will come and retest this falling trend line, which I have explained clearly with Bank Nifty move, and then we will see a up move. That is what exactly happened. First day it has on Monday it has given a close above 20 moving average. Sorry, this falling line and the 20 moving average, which is coinciding with each other. And then on the second day it went higher, gapped up, went higher, and then came down and closed almost near the lows of the day, which is again near the 20 moving average. The good thing which it has done on that particular day was it closed above the 20 moving average. Look at the move from there on. 15,810 was the close on that particular day. In next 3 days we have moved 600 points. Sorry, not 600, 450, 500 points. Right? So this now the thing is, this blue line was our 50 moving average. This sky blue line is our 50 moving average. And Nifty has managed to close above 50 moving average for two continuous days. And your super trend has signaled a buy signal on Thursday. I have already told you people, when super trend gives a buy or sell signal, whatever it may be, the trend will follow for next 5 days, at least on the same side or on a consolidation mode, but definitely it will not fall drastically. That is what I have said. Now TCS results will create a major kind of move on Monday, that is tomorrow. If you ask me about TCS results, I am not impressed about the results this time. It's not good on any parameters. Attrition at 19.75 is the highest, and their profit margin has reduced by somewhere around 1.75 basis points. A company like TCS should not reduce that kind of margin. It is almost 200 basis points reduction in their profit margin, and gross revenue also decreased, operating margins increased. So on all parameters, if you ask me, I will say TCS results are not good. But I don't know how markets will react. Why? Because TCS has dropped 2% from last week close to this week close. Previous week close, let me open TCS charts. This is TCS charts. Look at last week's close, 3315. Forget about the high. Close is 3315. Look at this week close. It is 3265, which means he has dropped nearly 2% on week closing basis. I don't know how this will react, but it will, I would say, if it is going to react negative, barring Infosys, most of the other IT companies will be drag to the downside. Generally speaking, TCS fall is Infosys rise. So that is the reason I have said, barring Infosys, all others will fall. And especially in mid-cap IT companies, the fall will be severe if the reaction is going to be like that. So on a cautious note, I have given you the support and resistance for this week. The primary support first comes into our mind is the psychological number of 16,000. If it breaks 16,000, we will see a test of 10 moving average which is at 15,900. And from there on, it will definitely climb on the higher side. By any chance, if it breaks 15,900 also, not necessary to worry big, because it will take support around 200 moving average which is 15,725. I think these kind of fall will not come now. Worst case scenario, we may see a fall towards 15,850. That is the worst case scenario I am expecting. If it goes below that 15,850, I will change my mind and change the direction also according to that. On the higher side, what is the level you can expect? The first target for us will be 16,504. That is the first target which I am expecting. The second one could be our final target 16,800. Okay, but it will take its own sweet time. Best case scenario, we can target for the play for the first target. That could be the best case scenario, provided IT doesn't collapse tomorrow. If IT collapses, even the first target itself will be a doubt, and we may move till only 16,400 this week. Right? Now, based on this, what you can trade? If you ask me, I will give you one long call on a condition. You need to buy this call only if Nifty comes down to 16,050 to 16,000 levels. You are not supposed to buy even if Nifty is hovering around 16,100. You are supposed to buy only if 16,000 to 16,050 comes. So the call will be like 16,300. If 16,000 comes, this 16,300 call, if 16,000 comes on or before Tuesday midday, before European opening, this call will be available between 35 to 40 rupees. So 35 to 40 rupees means it is a 0 or 0 game, like what we have given during last week. Remember last week we have given 16,100 call, I guess, correct? 16,100 call which has been given last week. No, I think it is 16,000 call. 16,000 or 16,100 call. But whatever the call which we have taken, that has rocked like anything. So we can try a hero or zero trade with 35 to 40 rupees investment, and things go as per our prediction, and if we meet the minimum target of 16,400, our call will be priced at 100 rupees on expiry. Okay, so this is the only call which I can give you right now. Barring this, we will be posting calls during market hours in our Telegram channel without targets. You may make use of those calls and exit as per your convenience. That's all I have for now this week, guys. And one more thing, if Nifty is going to 16,500, Bank Nifty will definitely touch 36,000. That is the one liner which I can give for you. The support for Bank Nifty will be 34,500. As long as he holds 34,500, he will definitely touch 36,000 first. So if HDFC Bank results are going to be on Saturday, which means 16th, as we discussed earlier, 16th or 17th. Yeah, it's 16th. If HDFC Bank results is going to be on 16th, definitely it might have a pre-result rally, because this company have a very bad habit of doing the opposite direction move after results. One day after results, he will either find a top or bottom, intermediate top or intermediate bottom. If he is going to rally this week, definitely we will see 36,000. But results will play a vital role, and then it will move according to the results, post results. So that is all about Bank Nifty. Uh, Once again, I would like to remind you to subscribe and stay connected in our channel. Click on the notifications bell icon so that you will get all alerts when I post something in our YouTube video. Have a good day, friends. See you all in our next video. Bye for now.